Hello everyone. Today we're going to learn how to use the subscription feature in EazyDocs. Before we start, ensure that your EazyDocs Pro Max license is activated. First, go to your WordPress dashboard. Navigate to the EazyDocs Pro settings, then find the Docs subscription section. Enable the subscribe feature and save your settings. Next, head over to your documentation page. Click the subscribe button, fill out the subscription form, and click subscribe. A confirmation email will be sent to your email address. Check your email and click Confirm Opt-in. This will redirect you back to your documentation page, where you will see that you have successfully subscribed to the docs. You'll receive email notifications whenever new articles are added to the documentation. Let's create a new article. Publish it. Now check your email. You can see the new content alert notification here. Check out the post. Here you can see the new article. If you want to unsubscribe from the article, you can do it easily. Just simply click the unsubscribe button and the article will be unsubscribed.